What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video is going to be my first Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't tried Boxycharm before and I'm so excited to do so today, and I thought it would be so fun to make a video on it and share the experience with you guys. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's one of those monthly subscription services for beauty products. This one is $21 a month, but you get all full-size products, which is really cool. I used to do Ipsy, I've also done Sephora Play. I still get Sephora Play, but I did stop getting Ipsy. So I'm excited to try a new service and let you guys know what I think and show you all the products that are inside the August box. If you like the things that are in this box, I will have a link down below where you can sign up for Boxycharm and try it out for yourself. And of course, I'll give you my honest thoughts along the way too and tell you what I think of the product. Before we jump in, I just want to say if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Thanks for stopping by. My name's Olivia. I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, mom life, a little bit of everything. And I upload several times a week, so I hope you will enjoy this video. I hope you'll subscribe, that way I can have you join my YouTube family. And you may hear my baby here making some noises because he's right below me and he's feeling a little talkative too. But alright, so without further ado, let's just jump into the August Boxycharm unboxing. I feel like I'm like sweating here right now, so hopefully I don't look too sweaty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Sorry, I just got so excited. So I opened the box and this is what it looks like when I opened it. Super cute. I see some great things already, and I also appreciate the extra padding, just a nice little touch. So the first thing I see on the top of the box is obviously a pair of lashes. This is awesome. So these are a pair of lashes from House of Lashes. I've never tried this brand before, but of course I've heard great things because it seems like a lot of people on YouTube here use them. These are the Boudoir Mini Lashes. And I'm looking for, oh, here's a little invoice. Hopefully that will tell me what everything retails for. There's a couple coupons on this card as well. So the card doesn't have the lashes on it, so I don't know if they're just like thrown in there as extra or what, but I appreciate those. The next product I see is this DC, I don't know how to pronounce this, age-defying nail treatment. This is a sweet almond cuticle oil. Oh, weird. So the card that came in my box actually has completely different products on it than what are in my box, but I'll at least tell you what it all is and what it looks like. So this is, like I said, a sweet almond cuticle oil. That'll be nice for doing a little mani, a little self-care routine at home. There's also a Bang Beauty gel eyeliner in here. I don't wear eyeliner too much, to be honest with you, but I probably should start trying. Maybe I'll just save this one for a giveaway or something. This is in the color Chocolate. So it's a nice creamy rich brown gel eyeliner. There is a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Fair Game. I love me some liquid lipstick, so I think this will be nice, and this is like a nice nude color. This looks super pretty. I'm really excited to try this one out. Then next up is a palette, it looks like. So this is by Laura Lee. Oh my gosh, this is so bright. This is by Laura Lee Los Angeles, and it has these super vibrant colors. Oh, holy moly, these are bold. This looks like it would be great for the end of summertime. Maybe for somebody a little more daring. I don't know if I'm daring enough to try these colors because these look so bold. So again, maybe I'll save this one for a giveaway or something like that because this palette looks really fun, but I don't think I could pull off those colors. Or maybe I'll try and push myself outside my comfort zone. I don't know. I'm curious, let me know if you wear bold eyeshadow shades like this or if you tend to stick to more neutrals like myself. And then the last thing that's in here, ooh, are some, I need these, are some eye masks. So these are by the brand Wander Beauty, and they're called Baggage Claim Gold Gel Eye Masks. And I am pumped for these because I'm a new mom and I got some bags under my eyes. And one of the favorite things that I like to do at home as part of like my self-care pamper routine are to use like under eye masks like this. So I'm excited to try these out. Of course, I'll let you know what I think, but there's 3 sets in here, so that's pretty nice too. Alright, so that's everything that came in the August box for me. Overall, I really do like the things in this box. I wish I had the pamphlet, and honestly, it looks like this one is the pamphlet from the July box. This one has products that I think probably would pertain to me a little bit more, but some of the things that I'm really excited about in this box are the under eye mask, the lashes for sure, and I'm excited for the lipstick. So all in all, I got 6 products, and I think loving 3 of them is still a win. Like, I think these 3 products alone are definitely worth $20, but then to throw a palette in with it and some other things totally make it worth it in my opinion. I just wish that these colors were a little less bold because I'm typically not that adventurous with my makeup, but that's okay. That's alright. Like I said, I'll have a link to check out Boxycharm in the description box down below. Let me know if you've tried Boxycharm, what your experience was like, what some of the products that you've gotten are like. I know one of my best friends gets Boxycharm, or used to, and she was saying that she loves some of the things, and I got to see a couple of the products that she got and they looked really cool. So yeah, overall I definitely think it's worth trying. I would give this a thumbs up, and I'm excited to see what comes in future boxes too. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I will see you in my next one, and have a fabulous rest of your day. He says bye too. Bye guys.